We're a startup in New York that bootstrapped our way to $1 million in revenue before taking a single dollar of outside money. Our founder spent 15 years on Wall Street, and our whole bet is this: the most important AI in banking won't be built for the big banks, it will be built for everyone else. Our company is called Multimodal, and this is what we do. Let's dive in. To understand why multimodal exists, you have to understand who's getting left behind in the AI race. There are over 4,000 credit unions in America today. Together, they hold about a tenth of the entire banking market. But individually, most are far too small to build their own AI. So while Chase and Bank of America and SoFi pour billions into technology, credit unions are still pushing loan applications through PDFs, spreadsheets, and clunky old bots that can't read documents or make a judgment call. That's the gap Multimodal was built to close. Our product is called AgentFlow, and here's what it looks like in real life. Imagine it's midnight and a member applies for an auto loan online. Normally, that application sits untouched until a loan officer logs in the next morning. With AgentFlow, AI gets to work immediately. One reads the documents, another one checks the numbers against the credit union's own lending rules, another one flags anything unusual for a human to review, and before you know it, the file is funding ready. By morning, the loan officer isn't starting the file, they're finishing it. At Form Credit Union, this pipeline runs auto loans at over 99% accuracy and has allowed them to grow their volume without adding headcount. At Direct Mortgage, it cut loan processing costs by as much as 80%. In lending, you can't just be fast. You have to be accountable. Under federal law, if AI plays any role in denying someone a loan, the institution has to explain exactly why. The algorithm said no is not a legal defense. So, AgentFlow logs every single step. The paper trail exists before an examiner even asks for it. So what is Multimodal really trying to do? Prove that the same caliber of AI that's being built for trillion-dollar banks and by these modern lenders can be built just as well and more responsibly for the community institutions people actually trust and bank with. And if that keeps working, the little guys won't just be catching up to the big banks. They'll be the ones setting the standard for AI in banking.